Welcome to Intuitive Lab channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to add calendar widget on the home screen in your Android phone. So at first touch and hold on the home screen. Now here at the bottom you can see widgets option, then just tap on widgets and then look for calendar. Here you can see calendar option, then just tap on calendar. Now you can see 4 kinds of calendar widget and you can set any calendar widget on the home screen as you like. If you want to set this calendar widget, just touch and hold it and drag it to home screen. And it's done. Now you can see the calendar widget has been added successfully. Now if you touch and hold it and then tap on settings, from here you can change your widget background color. You can set black or white as you like. You can also decrease transparency from here. And you can set any label as you want. And then tap on save. And you can see it's changed successfully. And that is how you can add calendar widget on the home screen in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.